Hey everybody, David Likens here. Going to do one of our first videos here of the Paddle King Lo Pro Cruiser 2020 model. Got a few changes, a few more options for you. A really cool thing about the Paddle King Lo Pro series boats is you get just a great looking boat. You know, I mean, if you're looking for that pontoon family boat to go out that actually looks like, you know, you've got something, this is it. I mean, they do a great job on the fit and finish, nice vinyl seats and flooring, and you can make it your own. We also have the option to really just strip them down to kind of not having a lot of features on there, and if it's just something for a simple pond, we can do that too. But this boat here is going to be debuted at the St. Louis Boat Show January 30th through February 2nd. This is actually what's called a floor plan number 1. The boat itself, with no ads, weighs roughly 970 pounds. It's only 15 foot 2 inches long. The deck size there that you're looking at is 13 feet long by 7 foot wide. It's got a 6-person capacity. You can put up to a 20 horsepower motor on it. It's sitting on an optional powder coated trailer with the new step features. You can also get it in a galvanized trailer. And then just continue walk around. Another ad that they did this year on the boat is they did add a third pontoon in the center there. So give it a little bit more buoyancy, a little bit more stability than what they've had in the past. Still, all of them are great boats. Standard features, you do get a standard bimini top and boot on 2020. The hinge pin mount right here that I'm showing you is now a standard feature, which is basically designed to allow the bimini top to lay down flat. We did also add 4 tie-down cleats on the boats, 2 on the front, 2 on the rear. You do get standard navigational lights now. I'll hop up in the boat here in just one second. But as you can see, you've got a 2-tone insert. This is burgundy and white. Great rich color. Standard rear entrance on floor plan number 1 there. That's lockable. 3-step stainless steel ladder. This boat, like I said, is fully electric. This is Minn Kota's E Drive system. It's 48-volt system, super quiet, super clean. You do require 4 batteries and a charger, onboard charger. As you can see, the unique shape of the pontoons. This is the filler pump for the standard live well. The sonar there is for the depth finder that we put on. Another picture of the boat cleats that we put on the rear. On this one, we did actually add a Fusion Apollo head unit with a transom mount remote. Really cool feature that allows you to sit in the water and control your radial right there from your cushions that you're sitting on. So we're going to go ahead and hop on the boat here. Show you one more feature. Torsion axles with radial tires. You can upgrade those to aluminum if you want to. We have in the past. So again, nice cool feature with these steps. Grip tape on them, powder coated, nice and clean. Getting up in the boat, super easy now. It does have a lockable front gate, as you can see. Nice and easy, padded even. Keeps it from bouncing around. Again, this is a floor plan number 1. So floor plan number 1 gives you 2 front quarter seats with a cup holder built in the rear. Behind it there, storage built in. With a dry bottom, that way you can rinse out from underneath it. Here you've got the bimini boot and standard mooring cover now. Super nice feature, Sunbrella quality material. Storage under the other side for you as well. Dry bottom. The sides do have spacers on it, so that way you can rinse the boat off. We did add kicker marine speakers and accent lights that are controllable from the helm. One new feature this year that they've added, which I think is a great add, is the side lounge seat here, so that way you could sit in front. So this is actually also storage underneath. You can use this for a cooler or a live well, removable filler, adjustable flow amount there from the water. Again, you can turn that on and off from the helm or driver's seat. We did also install the Paddle King removable table here. Just a nice feature to be able to put some soft drinks on or sandwiches for the grandkids. We did add a grill here, propane, little 1-pound tank to get it going. Cool feature. Does something kind of cool, you know, you catch a fish, grill some dogs out there on the water. This is the new helm option also. They do have a smaller helm that you can put in here, but this one's really cool because it's got a dry storage built in it now that's lockable with a chargeable link here for your cell phone. We also did add a Lowrance Hook 2 fish finder. And then again, this is the new Apollo Fusion head unit. Super clean, super crisp. Does have party barge mode, where if you have another boat with the Apollo system on it, you can link multiple boats playing the same audio system. So super cool. So like I said before, this is Minn Kota's E Drive system. So you do have a full throttle system with a key. It tells you the full voltage of the batteries and how much juice you're using. Adjustable trim there. Your navigational lights and bilge switch. And then we put in the really cool lit up LED rocker switch for the accent lights and an electric horn. So that way, between it, the navigational lights, fire extinguisher that we put in, it makes you fully legal on any open body of water. So as you come around here, you can see there's an additional cup holder that comes standard with that side lounger and the rear exit gate. Super cool feature again. Flip that up, swings inside here, right out into the water, having fun. Nice stainless steel three-step ladder there. Accent lights, so that way in the evening lights up the area nice and neat. And once again, the Kicker Marine audio speakers gives it a nice sound out there while you're out there enjoying your day on the lake. We pride ourselves in our install. We use all quality products, Interstate batteries, Minn Kota product batteries. As an example, this is the 15 amp 4-bank Minn Kota digital charger. So like I said, should never have a problem with that. Tells you everything that's going on while you're charging it and everything. You see, super clean install, plenty of room for extra stuff there too. So again, every one of these boats are different. You've got 4 different floor plans to choose from this year from Paddle King. We do deliver anywhere in the United States. We customize them specifically for you. So if you don't want the Fusion head unit or that specific fish finder or depth finder, give us a call. Again, we customize every one of these. We deliver them all 100% within the United States. And again, we kind of tailor make these individually. Feel free to check out our website, www.firstautocredit.com, and first is spelled out. The information's below. Please give us a like, subscribe, share our videos. If you have any questions at all, I promise you we'll get back to you as soon as we can. We can price you out a boat delivered, you coming to pick it up, or again, however you want. So again, my name is David Likens. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, a share, and hopefully if you're at the St. Louis Boat Show area this year, come by and check out our booth 4012. All of our contact information is below. Thanks again for watching.